What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I gotta get the 240 moved out of the way, and basically what happened was when my hot water heater started leaking, it went out on me, and because of the dust all over the floor, it kind of got rust all over the floor. So my plan is to probably just push the car that way all the way up against the wall, and then I think that would make it so I have enough space to clean. But because all the fab work was going on right here under the car, as you can see, my garage is all covered in rust right here. So I would like to get the car over here, get everything out of the way, and then I looked up online some solutions to get that out of the concrete floor, and I found that people are just using distilled white vinegar. So I'm gonna get that out of the way, clean it up, sweep everything up, put down some vinegar, and then power wash it, and hopefully that'll get all that crap up off the ground, because I don't want to lay in that and it just doesn't look good. So I think eventually, probably here in the near future, so probably here in the near future look, probably in the near future, I'm going to be just refinishing the concrete on the ground here, and then what I'm going to do is do an epoxy floor, which probably isn't ideal if you're doing fabrication all the time and welding and stuff, but I'm sick of looking at the floor like this, so it's either that or I polish it. Polished concrete would be cool too, and like zero maintenance will need to be done, but I think I really want a really clean white looking floor for some reason with the gray walls. I think it'd be sick. And then you know, I'm not sure, but I do need it. I really want to get a car lift in the garage too, so eventually I want like a 2-pole car lift, probably over there on that side because it's got the higher ceilings. I think that would be sick. And then I could store my Z and my 240 under each other, and then my wife's car, and then another space to work still. So I think, yeah, let's just start doing this.
Say she fuck with me, well I fuck with you. I say I'm rolling, she say I'm riding too. She like the baller type, well that's all I do. Baby, hit your homegirls and tell them all come through. Check it, this your player presidential, never rolling rentals. Always been player made, probably know your sister think I'm just a quarterback, but my gang will blitz you if you can't stand the rain. Then you better grab a tissue. Look, now that I'm back, time you know the name. Pablo motherfucking Sanders, getting paid's my game. I only fuck with real niggas. While you hang with lames, thought you was gonna take my spot, man, it's such a shame. I don't beef with niggas, I just count these figures. If it's really a problem, I got some homies to hit you. Cut up like a John Woo flick. Hope you get the picture like Mike Tyson in glass jars. The floor's where I sit you. Look, I don't want much, I'm just trying to party. Got some homies in the back, smoking on that Bob Marley. Bad bitch by my side, attitude like she Cardi offset. Rim shining on these haters, I ain't sorry. Look, say I don't want much, I'm just trying to kick it. Fat ass like Nicki, and she told me that I can get it straight from the 00. Never drove a Honda Civic, giving game to you lames. Grab a pen, pay attention.
Living life by the G-code. Headshot, bang, bang, then I reload. Bring the money, baby, here, yeah, I need those. Better act like you know I was born on go. I was born with so much game, but this didn't come easy. You can catch me on your blog, you can catch me on TV. Real life, no time for you busters and you weak links. While I'm gripping on my wine glass, ring on my pinky.
Henny sipping, lane switching, see me steady dipping. Long money fitted, match the sweater, wood grain gripping. No jury on, I settle flex, still counting checks. Looked in my direction, now your bitch getting wet. I don't love him, I leave him, you mistreating, now she cheating. The reason why she in my kitchen cooking, chiefing and freaking, because we made it out the gutter. Celebrate every weekend, need to calm your nigga down before you end up catching a beating. Look, I don't want much, I'm just trying to party. Got some homies in the back, smoking on that Bob Marley. Bad bitch by my side, attitude like she Cardi offset. Rim shining on these haters, I ain't sorry. Look, say yeah, I don't want much, I'm just trying to kick it. Fat ass like Nicki, and she told me that I can get it straight from the 00. Never drove a Honda Civic, giving game to you lames. Grab a pen, pay attention, nigga. this fucking rap game like it's 2K. Dunking on these bitches, Akeem, Elijah Wan. I'm Jordan mixed with LeBron. Rest in peace to the king, we still on this marathon. How can you kill your brother? And I'm just like you. Couple choices took advantage and my dreams came true. Gotta live your life or they gon' live it for you. I ain't here to judge and preach these words I must repeat. Gotta live your life or they gon' live it for you. Hear it but don't comprehend these words I say again. Gotta live your life or they gon' live it for you. Build and destroy you. Sold a dream while in college but yet nobody employ you. All I'm giving here is straight facts. Most of the shit that you learn, you can learn it on YouTube. No whining or boo-hoo. Get off your ass, my nigga. Repeat the process till it comes true. Repetition, discipline, make the greatest of men. Must I say it again?
When you sign a record deal, they say, look.
Alrighty guys, welcome back. So I got the garage pretty much all cleaned out and everything. So it looks like I have a lot more space to work. Got the car moved, that's over there. And then he saw me toward the end there, welding up these end caps right here. So this is actually the end cap, and it closes off the end caps of the frames from where I cut it off. And then I got these plates over here, just welded on. I got to finish welding those out. But I just went and picked up some 18 gauge sheet metal over here. And that way we can knock out these gusset plates.